Here is how to set up Wix automated emails step by step. Start by logging in to your Wix account and opening the dashboard for the site where you want the emails to run. If you manage more than one site, make sure you are inside the correct dashboard before moving on, since automations are tied to the site you are editing. Once the dashboard is open, look to the left sidebar and click Automations. This opens the area where Wix handles actions that run automatically after a specific event happens on your site. Give the page a moment to load if needed, then continue from there. Next, click Create Automation. This starts a new workflow for the email you want Wix to send automatically. You will now choose the event that triggers the email, select the trigger that fits the action you want to respond to. Depending on what your site uses, this could be a form submitted, an order placed, a booking confirmed, a member signs up, or a contact added. Pick the option that matches the type of email you want sent. The trigger is what tells Wix when the automation should begin, so this part needs to match the real action on your site. After the trigger is selected, click Add Action, and then choose Send an Email. This adds the email step to the automation so Wix knows what to do after the trigger occurs. At this point, you are moving from the event that starts the automation to the message that will be sent. Now customize the email. Enter the subject line, then edit the message content so it says exactly what recipients should receive. If Wix offers dynamic fields for this automation, add them where needed. That might include the recipient's name, order details, or other information linked to the trigger you selected. Dynamic fields help the message match the action that just happened, rather than sending the same fixed text to everyone. When the email content is in place, review the automation before turning it on. Check that the selected trigger is correct and that the email action is attached properly. Read through the subject and message one more time and confirm that any dynamic fields appear in the right places. This review helps prevent the automation from sending the wrong message or responding to the wrong event. When everything looks correct, click Activate or switch the automation to Active, depending on how it appears in your Wix dashboard. This turns the automation on and allows Wix to begin sending the email automatically whenever the trigger happens on your site. Your Wix automated email is now set up and active.